Okay, it's gonna be a overview of the Spirit Series oil-fired furnace. I'm just gonna go over some real basic stuff here. This is your ignition transformer. This is what creates a spark and sends it down the electrodes for the for ignition. Okay, this is your oil pump motor. It's the pump itself. This is your delayed oil valve right here where my finger is. The purpose of the delayed oil valve is to give the motor enough time to speed up, so it delays the flame from actually happening for a certain amount of time. I think it's like several seconds. And then after several seconds, the oil delay valve will then energize the solenoid, and then there will be ignition inside the entire combustion chamber, which is this whole area right here. And then here you got your flue pipe, your barometric damper. You see it goes all the way up. You got your ductwork. This is in a garage, so that's why the duct works like that. That's your limit switch. Cuts the furnace off if it overheats, exceeds 120 degrees. You can see it's already preset for 120, so you can't adjust these ones. This is your burner itself. Here's your pump filter, the filter screen. Here's the oil filter itself right here. Here's the shutoff to the oil filter. There's your oil line. There's your filter rack. Okay, so first thing that's going to happen is this is going to start up, and the oil delay valve is going to kick in for several seconds, and then after several seconds there will be ignition. You'll actually see from the primary control right here, it'll light up green, and right here when there's actually flame sensed by the CAD cell relay, which is inside this burner, and I'm not opening it up today, it'll say flame proven. So yeah, that's the oil burner, and I'm actually going to start the furnace up here to walk through the startup. There's your oil feed tube right there, is where the oil goes into the electrodes and down into the nozzle, which the oil is sprayed at a very fine spray. It's not like liquid, it's like a very fine mist that it flows into. So yeah, let's go ahead and fire this puppy up, shall we? Oh, by the way, these are clean outs right here. If this ever sooted up, they actually have a clean out right here where you can get a soot vacuum into and clean out the heat exchanger. It's supposed to be 18 inches up off the ground because it is in a garage. I think the filter looks alright. I think it's fine. This furnace don't get used that much. Down here is your control board, your capacitor, and everything, the blower motor itself. So here's your transformer, your fuse, and all that jazz. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this thing up, shall we? Okay, I'm going to imitate a call for heat. Okay, oil delay valve is in action. Now listen. Watch. There we go. Flame started. Oil delay valve activated for several seconds. about 15, 20, 30 seconds, the fan will kick on. Listen for the fan. Any second now the fan should kick in. There we go. There goes the fan. So you kind of seen the sequence of operation of this it's oil-fired furnace. It's an 80% furnace. It's a Spirit Series Thermopride. Here's your flame. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a very simple process. It's not really that hard to do. Yeah, you can see the fan spinning. Alright, that's the operation of an oil-fired furnace. I hope this somewhat may be very basic for a new technician just starting out in this. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.